Page 310. It's a lesson on Aeolian Mode. Aeolian Mode is simply minor scale, natural minor, not harmonic minor. We're not changing anything. It's natural minor. It's built on the 6th step of a major scale. So in C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, it's the A minor. A minor. We're not using the harmonic minor. We're using natural minor. The whole step, half step pattern, whole, half, whole, half, whole. Okay. And that's really all it is. Just do the natural minor. To me, that's the easiest way to remember Aeolian Mode. Just do the natural minor. And they give it to you at the top of the page here. I want you to change it to the other. Well, just do the minors. This C, Aeolian, C minor. You're keeping this whole step, half step pattern. Whole, half, whole, half, whole. And you're just going to these other keys. Well, if you know the minor scale, for Aeolian Mode, just do the minor scale, but do the natural minor, not harmonic minor. Here. And E Aeolian, well, E minor is as 1 sharp here. And we're doing the natural minor, so we're not going to use a D sharp, but D here. That's E Aeolian, or E natural minor, E scale. And then the last one is G. Well, that would be the same as G minor. G minor has 2 flats. It's relative to B flat major, 2 flats here. And natural minor, so we're not raising the F sharp with F natural. And that would be the G Aeolian, or G natural minor. Okay, well, enough of that. Now they stick in the Dorian mode. Dorian, well, Dorian is built on the 2nd step of a major scale. So we go to C here. Dorian is next, up here. So it's the whole, half, whole, half, whole. See, I can calculate this because I can picture it in my mind. I can just quickly go up. Where are the whole steps and half steps? Yeah. Now for Dorian, rather than thinking major and altering the major, it's easier if you change the minor. Think minor. You see, if I do the major, the D major has an F sharp and a C sharp. In order to make it Dorian, I got to move both of these notes here. But if I take D minor has 1 flat, a B flat. All I got to do is take the B up 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to take the 6th step up a half step. This is the 1 change is all I need. So instead of here for D minor, it's here. D minor. So we'll just think minor scale and then take the 6th step up a half step. So transposing it into A Dorian, well, if I take an A minor scale and I take the 6th step up a half step, that would be A Dorian. And then E Dorian, well, E minor is relative to G major. It's got 1 sharp. That's the E natural minor. If I take the 6th step up a half step, then I've got that. So it's an F sharp and a C sharp in that one. E Dorian. And then the last one was C Dorian. Well, that would be here. The C minor has 3 flats. If I take the 6th step up 1, this is the 6th step, up 1, and here. So then we end up with 2 flats. So Dorian, you're just taking the 6th step up a half step from the minor scale. Yeah. Or you could figure out the half steps going up too, whichever. Different ways of looking at it. I leave it up to you how you best want to confuse yourself and use whatever method you choose. Then the chords, of course, are just built on this, which is going back to D Dorian, because D Dorian is like a D minor scale, except it has a B natural. So we're using all the white keys here. So it's here. And then as far as the major and minor, it's the same thing. Starting out minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, major, and minor again. So that just, yeah, whatever. But no matter what key you're in Dorian, the major minor pattern is going to be the same. So at the bottom of the page, they say transpose it to D, or to A Dorian, excuse me. A Dorian is like A minor, except we have to raise the sixth step. So it's F, instead of F, we got to have sharps. We got to have sharps. So we're going to build the triads on those notes. So it's here: minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, major, minor. So I'm just using the notes in A Dorian, and I'm playing triads, whatever. G Dorian, same thing. G Dorian is like G minor. It's got two flats, except we're going to raise the sixth step up one. So now it's only got one flat. And those are the notes I'm going to use for the chords. So have fun confusing yourself on that one, huh?